Morning boys and girls, we're going to start with our maths lesson today now, and we're really looking forward to seeing your super counting back once again. So please can you make sure that you have a number line from 0 to 20 as well as a pencil, and also you may need at the end of the lesson to have a look at the questions on Seesaw as well. Just pause the video now to make sure you've got everything that you need, and then we're going to start warming up. Okay, let's get warmed up, boys and girls. Show me you warming up your hands. Tops of your hands. Cover up. Warm up your brain. Ooh, mine's switching on. I think it's been asleep. Just warming it up. And ready. Okay, super. Right, question 1. What is 1 less than 11? Question 2. What is this number? Have a look at it carefully. Take away this number. Question 3. If 15 take away 3 equals 12, then what is 15 take away 12? Have a think. They're in the same fact family. And question 4, a part whole model. But which number is missing from the part whole model? Have a think. Pause the video now if you need a little bit more time. We're going to go through the answers. Okay, question 1. What is 1 less than 11? Well, I can use my part of a number line for this one, and let's have a look. So, 11 is here, less. Does less mean smaller or bigger? Amazing, less means smaller, so I need to go 1 less. I'm going to count 1 back from 11, which gives me 10. 1 less than 11 is 10. Give yourself a huge tick if you managed to get that. Well done, guys. Okay, question 2. What is that number? Take away that number. So the first number, we've got a yellow stick. Mine's blue. But can you remember what these represent? Super. There's 10 here. And then we have 4 little ones. So what is that number? 10 and 4 more. Count on from 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'm doing 14, take away, what's the number I'm taking away? 3. Okay, so the question is 14, take away 3. There's lots of ways we could do this, isn't there? We could do it in our head, on number line, but I've got these base 10 today, so I'm going to use these. So I've got 14, and now I'm going to take 3 away. 1, 2, 3. And how many are left? Amazing. 10 and 1 more is 11. Superstar maths. I hope that you managed to get that. If you did, give yourself a huge tick. Okay, question 3. If 15 take away 3 equals 12, then what is 15 take away 12? Well, boys and girls, they're in the same fact family, so let's just draw ourselves. Let's have a look at this part whole model, actually. So, 15 is the whole. Remember, the whole is always the biggest number. And one of my parts is 3. 15 take away 3 equals 12. So, if we were doing it the other way around, we're just switching the numbers. 15 take away 12 must be, did you say 3? Yes, it's 3. They're in the same fact family. So 15 take away 12 equals 3. So the answer to question 3 is 3. And finally, question 4. This time we've got an upside down part whole model. He's just turned himself around and his ears sticking out like that. So our whole this time is at the bottom, and we've got 18. Remember, the whole is always the biggest number. And then this part whole model on the board, question 4, is showing us that one of the parts is 16. So how am I going to work out what this part is? How did you do it? We know that one part is 16, so we could put 16 into our heads and count up until we get to 18. So I put 16 into my head. 16's in my head. Okay, I'm going to count up now to 18. 17. 18. How many have I added on? 2. So the other part is 2. 2 is missing. The answer is 2. Give yourself a great big tick if you managed to get that. They were really quite tricky today. If you didn't, don't worry. We'll keep practicing and working hard on them. Give yourself a big smiley face. Well done. So today, boys and girls, we're going to continue learning all about subtraction. Can you remember what subtraction means? It means taking away. We're going to be reading some questions today to help us work out what the number sentence is. And then we're going to be using a number line to count back, just like we did last week. So let's have a look at our first question. It's all about chocolates. How many chocolates are in the purple box? There are 12 chocolates in the box. 4 chocolates were eaten by Miss Harling. So how many would be left in the box? First of all, we need to think, what is the number sentence I need to do? Have we put more chocolates into the box and added some, or have some been taken away? Well, some have been eaten, haven't they? So that means that they have been taken away. Because if we eat something, it disappears, doesn't it? Gets taken away. So let's have a think about what the number sentence is. At the beginning, there were 12 chocolates. So subtractions always begin with how many you had at the beginning, don't they? So at the beginning, there were 12 chocolates. Then Miss Harling came along and ate 4 of them. So how many do we need to take away? 4. Excellent. We're trying to work out what 12 take away 4 is equal to, so we know how many chocolates are left in the box. So our number sentence is 12 take away 4 equals. So let's have a look at this on the number line. We know that our number sentence is 12 take away 4. So how would I work this out? By counting back on a number line. What's the number? Oh, that was a bit of a mistake. Just ignore that. What was the number that I start with? 12. So I need to circle the 12. And how many jumps back do I need to do? You can jump with me if you like. You can stand up and have a jump like we would do at school. If you would like to, just jump backwards. Okay, so we need to do 4 jumps. I'm going to count them. You jump. 1. I've jumped back to 11. 2. 1 step at a time. You ready for the next jump? 3. How many more jumps do I need to do? 1 more. 4. Brilliant. So I've landed on my answer. What is it? 8. So there were 8 chocolates left. So 12 take away 4 equals 8. You are amazing. How could I show that? With the pictures of the chocolates. There's 12 chocolates in that box. If I take away 4, what could I do to my picture to show that 4 have been taken away? I heard you all saying it. Wow, we could cross them out. Show me your cross out hands. We're going to cross out 4 of those chocolates that greedy Miss Harlan has eaten. So she's just had 4. 1, cross that one out. 2, it's a bit light, isn't it? Let me just find a darker pen. 1, 2, oh, she's had that one. 3, 4. And how many are left? Count them up. 8. It is exactly the same, isn't it, as counting back on the number line, and we've checked it by drawing on the pictures and counting back. Well done. Okay, boys and girls, are you ready for our next question? We're going to read the question and have a think about what the number sentence is. So, there were 14 bees at the hive. 5 bees flew away. Show me them flying away. I think they went to go to find some more flowers. How many bees are left? What is the number sentence? Can you have a think? There were 14 bees at the hive to begin with. So that is our first number. That's how many there were at the start. 14. If 5 bees flew away, does that mean that we're going to add some bees to the hive? Or we're going to take some away because there'll be less? You know, we're going to be taking away 14. Take away 5. They're the 5 bees that flew away. So our number sentence is, can you read it? Excellent. 14 take away 5 equals. Can you have a go at doing this using your number line? Pause the video now and have a go. Okay, I hope that you've had a chance to pause the video and work out the calculation, the counting back on your number line to work out 14 take away 5 equals. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it now. What number should we circle? Brilliant, you should have circled 14. How many jumps back do we need to do? Incredible, 5 jumps back, careful jumps back. And we put the numbers on each jump just to check we've definitely got 5 and not any more or any less. Okay, there were 14 bees in the hive. One's going to fly away. Jump. You can jump too. Then another one flew away. 2 jumps. Then another one flew away. 3 jumps. Then another one flew away. That's 4 bees. 4 jumps. How many more jumps do we need to do? Can you do one more jump? 5 bees flew away. 5 jumps backwards, making our number smaller and smaller each time as those bees fly away. And the answer? What is the answer? We've landed on 9. Brilliant. So 14 take away 5 equals 9. Did you get that? High five. Super work, boys and girls. Tiny is so impressed now because he says, I can use a number line to count back. Can you say that? I can use a number line to count back. You're doing amazingly, boys and girls. Please, can you have a go at this question now? Can you read the question out loud? Awesome! 17 take away 9 equals. Can you use your number line to work it out? So we would circle 17. Count back. How many jumps? 9 jumps. Oh, got to be super careful with this one, boys and girls. Make sure you're just doing 1 jump at a time. Jump with me. 3, 4, 5, 6. Just 1 step at a time, 1 number backwards. 7. Oh, it's going so far back. 8. Oh, careful, super accurate counting. 9 jumps back. What number have I landed on? Did you get the same? 8. And the answer is, you've got it, 8. Super jumping back. You're getting so accurate and speedy at this. So I would love you to have a go at some of the questions attached on the seesaw activity, or maybe mummy and daddy could give you some to have a go at yourself. If you've got any chalk, what we found at school worked really well is going outside and drawing our number line on the floor, and then we jumped back along the line. If you'd love to have a go at that, if you've got some chalk, that's a really lovely way to do this activity as well. I look forward to seeing your work on Seesaw later. Have fun. Bye.